how to factory reset an Avtex Smart TV. We're going to really quickly go over how to do this factory reset using the remote controller. You might want to do this as a troubleshooting step if things are just not acting right, or also if you just want to get this thing set up kind of like a new TV, get everything, because this will clear all of your personal settings. It will clear all of your information and data from the television. You will need your PIN code because it's going to prompt you to do your PIN code. But anyways, on some of the more modern remotes, there's actually a gear shifter settings button. We can click on that. If not, on this remote, we're going to press the home button. And from the home button, we are then going to select settings from the home screen. And then we're there. It's the same either way. From there, we're going to select the support, toggle to the support option, hit OK. And from the support option, we will select reset to factory default. OK. And then it's going to ask us for our PIN code if we've set it up to confirm this reset, at which point, again, all of your personal settings, information, and data will be wiped off of the TV, and you can set it up basically like a brand new TV.